Hello, my name is Paul, and I'm a native English speaker, originally from London, with over 30 years of international teaching experience. Throughout my career, I've had the privilege of working with students from a wide range of cultural and professional backgrounds, helping them achieve their goals in English with confidence and clarity. I specialise in business English as well as exam preparation for IELTS, Cambridge Advanced CAE, First Certificate FCE, and B2 level English. Whether you're preparing for an important exam, improving your professional communication, or building your general fluency, I tailor each lesson to meet your specific needs. My teaching journey has taken me across the world. I spent 2 years teaching in Turkey, 3 years in the Catalan region of Spain, and 2 years in Warsaw, Poland. I also taught in Mexico for 6 months and spent 10 years teaching at university level in Saudi Arabia. My global experience has given me a deep understanding of the challenges learners face and strategies that work best. My lessons are practical, engaging, and focused on real-life communication. I aim to create a supportive environment where you feel comfortable speaking, making progress and reaching your full potential. So if you're looking for a dedicated and experienced teacher who can help you succeed in English, I would be delighted to work with you. I look forward to meeting you soon. Thank you.